slow how to rotate or flip an entire image in Adobe Photoshop. Image rotation is destructive editing and actually modifies the file information. If you want to non-destructively rotate the image for viewing, use the rotation tool. Choose Image, then click Image Rotation, and choose one of the following commands from the submenu. 180 degrees. Rotates the image by a half turn. 90 degrees CW. Rotates the image clockwise by a quarter turn. 90 degrees CCW. Rotates the image counterclockwise by a quarter turn. Arbitrary. Rotates the image by the angle you specify. If you choose this option, enter an angle between 359.99 and 359.99 in the angle text box. In Photoshop, you can select CW or CCW to rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Then click OK. You can also flip an image horizontal or vertical. Done. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share.